Okay guys, now I'll show you what I explained in this video. Okay, if you, for example, if you create a new Word file, okay, so you'll create another Microsoft PowerPoint file. If you create a Excel sheet PowerPoint, okay, right click on the Word, you will not find, you will see a plain icon. Okay, no iconic commands, plain commands. Okay, if you open, so I want to make it attractive and very good. I want to make Windows better, or I always do my best to make Windows better. Okay, so I added some icons to related to the associated program. This is file for Word. Okay, so I'll make it a little bit attractive, and also attractive for your eyes to go directly and run the specified command. So I'll change the print icon, so I'll change the edit icon, so sometimes I'll change the open icon. Okay, if the edit already exists, so it's only enough to edit or open. Okay, but if PowerPoint like this, so I'll change the open because no edit here, so I'll change the open icon and show icon. Okay, also, and the print icon. Okay, Excel sheet the same, print, open, and print and open. Okay, let's see. This is the script I created, like I explained in this video. I opened registry, so I put inside the registry for Microsoft Word, so I'll see Word document number 8. Word document 8 means this is the old versions, but Word document 12, Word document 12 like this is for the latest one, because this is Office 2010. That's why it's Word document 12. If you installed the newer version like 2012 or 2019 like this, you will see this different in your computer. Word document may be 19, 20, 14, 15 like this. Okay, try to search in your computer what version of Microsoft Office. You will see like this. So the earlier version will be 8 for this Word document 8. This is for earlier version, and 12. All of this is Microsoft Office is 97. This is all the old. This is the old version of Microsoft Office. So that's why I choose the latest one is Word document 12. Also Excel sheet, also the same Excel sheet. I'll search for Excel sheet 8 and Excel sheet 12. Excel sheet 8, this is like Excel, the extension is XLS, but the latest version Excel sheet 12 is for Office 2010. It will be XLSX. Okay, XLSX, added X. Okay, this is for extension for the file. So this is I added inside for Excel. I go to shell, inside shell I change the new, open. I'll put icon for print, I'll put icon for edit, I'll put the icon for open. This is what I want to say exactly. So let's see. This is Word, this is PowerPoint, this is Excel. Right click, there is nothing. Okay, like old state. Okay, because the new things I added for Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's check. Right click on the Excel. See, you will see print icon, open icon, and everything is okay for Microsoft Excel. PowerPoint, there is nothing. If I want to add the PowerPoint new icons, so double click on this registry, so it will be added. So right click on the icon, you will see open and show. This is the associated program, Microsoft PowerPoint, okay, icon, and this is print icon. So it's a very good and attractive view, attractive for you. Okay, it will facilitate job. You will go directly to the color. Your eyes will go to the color icon, color the icon. Okay, so you will know the job. This is print, this is show, this is like this. Okay, Excel sheet also now finished. Word file, there is nothing for edit or open like this. So this is for Word. I'll add the icon for Microsoft Word. So right click on the Word, now becomes attractive. Microsoft Word, the icon becomes here, and the print icon becomes here. So everything is okay. So I'll compress all of this script. It will be under this video, so you will be able to download it anytime. Okay, this is the script. This script I will be inside this video. So what I wanna say, if you wanna remove, if this icons is not reasonable good for you, or not sounds good for you, so it's better to remove it by this double click on this icon, or run it as administrator. But I am administrator this system, I am administrator now for the system, so I will right double click here, double click here, double click here. All of these new icons added to the system already removed. See, nothing now, nothing now, nothing now. Okay, if I want to add it again, double click, yes, and okay. Also the same, the other one, the same. Okay, now added, these icons added now, very good. Okay, nice. No, I don't wanna, yes, right click, I'll see open, and this is the icons. If I want to remove, double click, double click, double click. Okay, so all icons already removed. So that's all I can say in this video. So this package will be under this video. You will open this video in your computer, so you can drag it in your desktop, so you will be able to apply. So that's but now we reach to the end of the video. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.